Hello everyone, John Desley here to show you this week's tech tip. Today's tech tip focuses on matching continuity to adjacent faces using the composite curve feature. In this example, a patch needs to be created over the opened area. A fill surface is used to patch the area while selecting the appropriate continuity to each edge. Now, let's do the same operation, but this time using a composite curve. First, a composite curve is created by selecting the edges of the surface. Next, the fill surface feature is used, but this time the curve is selected as the boundary while matching tangency. The surface is complete using the curve as the only selection. In situations where the boundary needs several continuity constraints, such as position, tangency, or curvature, a combination of composite curves and individual edge selections can be made. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more Onshape tech tips.